Project code ITPYIP05. Project title Detection of Emoji Expression using CNN Model. Abstract. So in this project what we are going to do, we are going to collect different type of emojis which are nothing but the smiley symbols in our mobiles. So what we are going to do, we are going to take different type of categories of emojis and we are going to load that in our data set. Afterwards, we will try to build a CNN model by giving the input images. So after giving the images, we will train the CNN model. Afterwards, we are going to deploy our model, like we are going to deploy in GUI where the user can give an input image and the machine will classify which type of emoji is that. Existing concept. In existing concept, what have done is they have used full text and emojis. So what have done is they have done the sentiment analysis of the text, that is the messages. So based on the emojis, they have used bidirectional gated recurrent unit. It is also a neural network model where they have make the text analysis using the neural network. So the existing drawback is they have done analysis of text, so they need more time. Like they have to first build a model, which is the glove model word embedding. So it takes more time. Proposed concept. So in our proposed concept, what we're going to do is first we will collect the data set of the emojis of different emojis, and then afterward we are trying to we are going to train a deep learning model. Deep learning model, we are going to train a deep learning model. After training the model, we'll use CNN algorithm. So we use convolution neural network to train the images, and we'll get a new model which is generated. After the model generation, we are going to deploy our model in GUI where the user can give input to the GUI, and he can get the output as the classification of whether which emoji is that one. So main advantage of this is, so we can easily understand the human expression through the emojis through social media. And the main reason for this CNN is the best algorithm for images because it has feature extraction concept. So in existing system, what they have done is they have used bidirectional gated recurrent unit, which is a neural network model. So in our proposed method, what we are going to do, we are going to use deep CNN. Deep CNN is deep convolution neural network, and we have other frameworks that we are going to use are TensorFlow, Keras, and we are using Matplotlib for the plotting. So this is our architecture diagram. So in this, what we are going to do first, the data, that is the emoji images are loaded using the TensorFlow to create a deep learning model. DL model is deep learning model by using the CNN algorithm. Once after the machine got trained, we will use the test data. Test data is new input to check whether the given whether our model has correct validation or not. So in that we will use GUI so that our model will be deployed in that. In the GUI, when we give the test data, the model will give us an output which is the type of emojis we are going we have uploaded. So in where we can use this application, so we can use this model to analyze the sentiment of the person. So if we have lot of messages and some people use emojis to express themselves, so we can know the sentiment of the person. So in future enhancement is we can deploy this our model in artificial environment, that is the web application, or we can add any hardware connection so that we can improve our model's performance. So the technology we are going to use is Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook. So why we are using this software is Jupyter is a free and it's an open source tool. So mainly for data analysis and everything, Jupyter is the most preferred software, and we can it has lot of support, library support, and some packages are default default installed in that. So these are the minimum hardware requirements of our project. Thank you.